See what kind of trouble I can get into. Well, since it's nice and warm in here, let's go work on this van. I'm gonna do a little bit of preliminary. So here's here's some of the tools I'm gonna use. I'm gonna have to disconnect this two chairs, and I'm gonna push it back so we can get to this. And then we can get into the engine compartment here and then in the front. So let's see what we got under here. Let me put this up. Here you go. If anybody's curious, those hands that you just saw, they're juniors. Here.
Hello, folks.
There you go. He's camera shy. He's also girl shy too. There you go. All right, let me move this chair. This is how I kept the seats nice and clean all those years. Yeah, well. Okay, underneath this chair, or seat, I should say, should be 4 bolts, but apparently there's only 3 on my thing. Let's see. There's one. There's one right there. Yeah, right about. There's it right here. There's one. This side, I think is missing. And back there. And back there should be, yeah, there's the shy boy. Where is it, a 10?
9/16.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It's an American vein. Then let me get this trash out of the way so we all can see. Sorry about the darkness. As Bruce would sing, darkness on the edge of town. I love that guy singing. Oh, so now you're on that side. Yeah, hello there. As you can see, we got the driver's side chair out. Had to disconnect this so I can fit it through the chair, and it was right here. The wire went through there, so I had to disconnect it so I can lift the chair out. And as I did, I found a penny. But now I gotta clean it. Look at this. Put some dirt out of here, and so we have at least a little bit of a clean environment to work on. Once I get this thing road ready, I will detail it. Truck, that's all. No, we're detail. Wow. Okay, what do I need here? A star. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll get to work. Be right back, folks. Okay, here it is, folks. Finally got the driver's side seat out. We might end up taking the passenger seat out. But here's my engine. We took the doghouse out. There were 4 places it was connected to. I think one was right here, and the other 2 were down here. It was like a hook comes down and grabs it, and you twist it, and it turns, comes right up. Put the light down here. What's that say? What's this? Quality renewal? What the heck? What is this, a rebuilt transmission on this?
Maybe.
Huh. I didn't know that when I bought it. But there it is, folks. A 5.8 liter by today's standards. And my generation, a 351. Yeah. So the plot thickens. As they say in Mexico, mucho dinero. No. Mucho dinero. That means a lot of money, yeah. No, mucho trabajo. That's what it is. There you go. Well, that's it. And like I said, the plot thickens. Till next time, folks. Later.